I've never been in a semi before. Wow, whoa, dude.
There's 815s.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Can you actually sleep in here too? Use discount code Jacksonvile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Wow. Whoa. So you can store everything in there. Do I climb in up here? I've never been in a semi before. Wow, whoa, dude.
There's 815s.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Can you actually sleep in here too?
Yeah. The mattress, I normally keep that down, but for today,
That way you
it's
can't
a
see
little
it.
bit better. Yeah,
Nice,
it's
man.
side of the way.
That's awesome,
Got some
dude.
stuff hiding back there.
So you can actually drive on the road, jam. And that's crazy, man. I bet you get some head turners.
Oh yeah, all the time. People close. I get way more attention to this than any other system.
Oh yeah, for sure. Show this real quick, talking. So what all's in here real quick?
Hold on. All right. So it's 8 Sundown XB315s, 4 Assault 4Ks, Assault 500 by 4, 4 Vex 8s, 2 Vex 10s, the Sundowns, some horns, some tweeters, Assault 200 by 4.
Alright. Wow.
My buddy Tyler Moore built pretty much all of this, and I helped a little bit. And yeah, it took a lot of time, a lot of dedication, a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out Team Hurts Feelings, and there's a 400 amp alternator.
Wow. And what is like your tuning response on this box? Being in such a big cabin.
Everything, dude.
Everything.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I'll play like 20 to 70, but it's not loud, you know, at the extremes. So.
Yeah. Wow, this is cool. All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it if that's all right.
Yeah.
Keep this door open or closed?
Yeah, like it is. It's
okay.
good.
Keep it like it is.
Yeah,
okay.
It is, it's good.
Wow.
And then if you want to trade spaces,
Yeah, let's do it.
whatever makes you feel.
Nah, man, do it. I want to get a something like this. Is crazy. I've never seen something like this before. Bass and semi, I think people do bass and semis and other.
His is mine's a little bit different.
Yeah, man, I like it though. All right. Get your hobby involved in your work. I like it. That's awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacksonvile. Looking forward to showing y'all Logan's system. The first time I've ever seen or recorded a bass semi system like this. So be sure to let him know what you think about it by commenting, saying some positive feedback. Really cool to be able to get to hear this. This was at the Summer Showcase Show at Jacksonville, Florida of 2022. Shout out to you, Logan. Did a really good job. We're about to show everybody how it sounds. Get some really good flex. These are the amplifiers he was running. 4 of the 4K, so that means he's probably running these either at half ohm or 1 ohm per set of subs. I didn't find out the impedance, but be sure to give him a like. Did a really good job. It's insane the amount of space that it utilized to be able to get the amount of pressure it did. So you'll see in the video in a minute when my wife was recording the outside that the actual flex was pretty impressive, especially in the back panels. So I'm looking forward to showing you how it sounds. Thank y'all for watching my videos. We're about to get to the bass demo now. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't for daily cardio videos, and I hope you're enjoying the kind of content. This is very special and unique for a one-of-a-kind bass semi system.
Yeah, I'll play something you can get the sub flex.
Okay. Come to the other side. Sorry.
It's not going to do air trip.
No, she's going to get outside flex. It'll do a little bit, I'm sure.
Gotcha.
Woo, yeah, this is cool. Here. Other side of the other door, it'll flex a little bit. Wow. I like this. He did a good job building into the vehicle. This is cool.
Try this and see.
That's crazy, man. Awesome. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
This is an experience. I've never seen something. I mean, the basehead life entwines with your job. That's cool, man. I appreciate you showing me.
Stand up for them.
Yeah. Dude. Oh, yeah. You can actually stand in it like a bus, but it's in semi.
Yeah, I got like 2 or 3 people in here, no problem.
Yeah, man. That's cool. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, Logan.
Logan?
Yes, sir. Thanks, Logan, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Jacksonvile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.